Hello, SOC students and families. Welcome back to another conference, Spring Conference 2021. I just wanted to say how excited I am to be back in the classroom with most of my kids and then to continue to be exploring the distance learning option with those students at home. It's just great to be here myself personally to make those one-on-one connections with students. And I hope that those students learning from home are finding ways to engage as well. We'll talk about that at the end of this video. As you know, History Day has been a big part of the last quarter of work, and we're wrapping it up now. History Day is finished on Monday. So if you have any questions or concerns regarding your History Day project or your child's project, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I know that this has been a difficult time to take on a project of that scope and scale. I think a lot of students have really enjoyed having that freedom of choice with their topic and with how they're going to present the project, but I do know that for many families that has been a challenge and a struggle. So if there's anything I can do, please let me know so that I can provide that assistance. If we need to extend out the due date for your particular student a little bit longer, we do have quite a bit of third quarter left to wrap up any of those last minute things. As of Monday, we'll be getting new content beginning with our unit on movements of people. We'll also do production, distribution, and consumption, and social change. So those are some things that you guys can look forward to learning in the classroom here in the upcoming weeks. With that, we will also explore current events in a deeper fashion than we were able to do from just at home with the advantage of having students back in the classroom. Those students will be able to engage in in-class discussion. This is also an important thing for distance learning students, which is why I hope that my distance learning students are available to meet on Fridays at 1 o'clock for a larger group discussion about content and what we're doing in class and activities and assignments, but also so that we can have those good discussions. Schoology is where I will continue to post my daily updates. I will also continue to use the Schoology folders to share with students the resources, the assignments, and the tasks that they have on a daily basis. If the folders are in any way confusing or you're not finding something, please again reach out and let me know. And then the last thing I want to say is just specifically for my distance learners, I just want you guys to know that I do have open hours on Wednesday from 9:05 until 9:35, and that I would really like to see all of my distance learning students every Friday at 1 o'clock if that is time that is available for you. If it's not, please contact me. There's a chance that I can make an adjustment to that, or at the very least, I can give you an individualized overview of what we covered on that 1 o'clock meeting on Fridays. And then in addition to that, of course, I'm available for one-on-one meetings at other points in times too. If you want to just send me an email, I'd be happy to arrange a date where we can talk face-to-face. That's it. I am so excited to be back here. I'm so excited to get to know those kids a little bit better. And I hope you guys have a wonderful third and fourth quarter and then going into the summer. Thanks, everybody. Have a good day.